What is up, everybody? Matthew here, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to get the F-18 fighter jet and Grand Theft Auto 5. So first, what you need to do is you need to set your waypoint. You got Vinewood over here. Los Santos. You got this whole desert area. Right here, you're gonna go on the ocean. Then when you see that little bump, that one bump and then another bump, you're gonna see that ending road right here. You're gonna click right about there, not here, there, on the ending road. And just get a fairly fast car, like a taxi. You don't have to get a Bugatti or anything like that. All you gotta do is get a taxi. No SUVs, because it's gonna be slow. And you need to be really quick in this mission. Not mission, but stealing the jet. So it's daytime. I'm probably gonna fail a couple of times, I'm not sure. It worked for me the first time I did it, so it's located in Fort Zancudo.
Who's free for pickup?
So let's just drive there. And try not to crash your car because your wheels get bent.
You leave that to me.
And you go real slow, and you don't want that because then you're gonna get shot at and die.
Copy that. You should only be a block or two away.
Like, the graphics in this game are really, absolutely awesome. They're just really good. So we're almost there, I think. No, not close. The minute you get in, you get like 5 or 4 stars, I think, and you get shot out really quick, and you gotta dodge those tanks. But I'll show you really quick how to get them. Probably the easiest way. The best person to use is Trevor, because he's the best at flying in the game. Well, that's his flying, you can see right there, and that's Michael's flying. But Michael is better because I took him to flight school. So yeah, and Trevor, he also has a hangar where he also has his own runway where you could land the jet and save it in his hangar. So yeah, we're here. Close. No, not close. So yeah, you could just get a taxi cab and skip all this extra part and then just hijack the cab. But I decided not to do that because I was already close, not far. Like, if you're all the way in Los Santos, right here, then yeah, you would have to call a taxi cab because then it will take a long time to get there. Now, one way to do it is the hardest way, I think, which is, let me just
Call just came in. Who wants to go pick up right now?
Charge the car. Anyway. Right here, you can go a bit further. Then you see that slope right there. You would just jump on the slope and get past that fence, and then you're gonna get shot at and killed. But here's the easiest way that I think is the best. So right now we're at that little ending road. Right here. We're at that little ending road. And wait, the minute you get here, you go full speed past the gate, and then I'll show you what turns to make. So you go full speed past the gate, and hopefully they won't catch you. I'm just praying that I won't fail this time, because I failed before, but I did it one time and I didn't fail, so bam. So right away those tanks start shooting at you. I'm probably going to fail right here. But you go there and you see this little hangar over here. It has the most cover, and you're probably going to have a small chance of getting shot. So it's probably going to take you that little couple of seconds to open the actual jet. to take off. And what you need to do the minute you get that jet is fly and stay low to the ground. Hopefully I will not get shot. So yeah. Oh man. Come on. Damn it! It's like good. Take off. Oh! Dang it. Oh my god, I messed up. I could have been off flying. Let me try showing you again. Wow. Well, I warned you in the beginning of the video that I might fail a couple of times, so I'm not gonna drive there. I'm just gonna get a taxi cab and go there real quick. I'm gonna not talk a lot because it distracts me. Contacts.
I need a taxi as soon as you can.
No problem. I'll have one there in a couple of minutes.
I'll be here.
You need to pull over now. The vehicle, we need to have a little chat.
I was just bored. I decided to take a selfie. There it is. That's the beautiful cab. Wait a minute. Let's set our waypoint. Remember, we're right there. A kind of loop-de-loop. Set the waypoint there.
Hey, my man.
Just gonna skip the extra call. No, extras. And then you just hijack the cab when you get out.
Okay, buddy.
Get in front of it, come on. Oh my god, son of a gun, I hate when that happens.
I need a cab, Toronto.
Not a problem. A driver's on the way.
That'll work.
Okay. Hopefully I won't fail this time. I have a feeling I won't. I should give Trevor a haircut. No, I'm not gonna give him a haircut. Well, probably. There's the cab. Hold it to hijack it. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna speak now. So follow my steps. So if you go fast enough, you might get lucky and not get caught.
Anybody out there good for pickup?
But right here, I get caught. Come on. Please. Go. Open. Fly, buddy, fly. Come on. Yes, I've got the jet. Stay low, Matthew, stay low. The reason I'm staying low so they will miss the missiles. So I finally got the jet. Let me just escape these stars. Finally. And I'm gonna land the jet and park it in Trevor's hangar. This is pretty cool. This is really fun. This is probably my third time stealing the jet. All day, baby, all day. thought I was never gonna get the jet. I thought the first time was just pure luck. Oh, yeah, the stars are gone. Wait a minute. So let's go to Trevor's hangar, which is, whoa, how did I get way down here? Wow. There's the hangar. I'm gonna land my plane. So hopefully you guys follow these instructions and not fail, because if you go in really fast and the guy's looking around the other way, you're gonna have all that time not to get caught and steal the jet, as you saw previously. The military wasn't after me, and that was just, that's not luck. That actually happens if you're going fast. That's like the third time that happened to me. If you're going slow, it's gonna be really obvious. That's why I say a taxi cab. Because it's not slow, it's not fast, it's pretty good. So Trevor's hangar is coming up. Put those wheels down. Should we slow down? No. Sweet jet. Look at that. Shoot everything. Look at that. Wow. Look at those graphics. Here comes Trevor's hangar. Hopefully you can land there safely without crashing. Come on. Is that it? Oh my god. Don't tell me I missed it. No. Oh man, I was supposed to go the opposite way. Okay guys. Let me make a U-turn. Okay, now it should work. Whoa, 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 whoa! Man! Wow. Alright, anyways, guys. So that's how you get the jet. Hopefully it works for you. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll try to post another video.